Moving on now to West Bengal, where in a significant blow to the Mamata Banerjee-led West Bengal government, today the Supreme Court upheld Calcutta High Court's decision to cancel the recruitment of over 25,000 teachers and non-teaching staff in the government schools in the state. The Supreme Court ruling, which comes after a prolonged legal battle, confirms that the selection process has been marred by manipulation and fraud. In a significant part of the judgment, the apex court made it clear that while the entire recruitment process was flawed, candidates who were not involved in any malpractice would not be left without recourse. The court instructed that these untainted candidates, many of whom were already working in various state government departments before their selection, should be accommodated in their previous roles. Describing the selection process as tainted beyond repair, the court remarked that the procedure was vitiated by massive fraud and manipulation. CJI further said that the credibility of the entire process has been denuded and it was beyond partial redemption. The court has also said that a fresh recruitment process should be conducted and set a 3-month deadline to complete that process. As the TMC government now faces pressure to launch a fresh recruitment drive, it is facing scrutiny to ensure that the process is conducted transparently, in strict accordance with the law, and without any further instances of corruption or manipulation. Meanwhile, the candidates have been protesting and they have expressed their frustration, accusing the Mamata Banerjee-led government of jeopardizing their future as they seek jobs. The protests have further underscored the growing discontent of the handling of the recruitment process.
हम चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल श्रीमती ममता बंदोपाध्याय आपको हम सीधा सीधा यही बात कहना चाहते हैं, आप तैयार रहिए, आपको भी जाना पड़ेगा। हमारा बहु कष्ट का, बहु लड़ाई संग्राम का वो जो जॉब है, वो जॉब अगर चल गया आपका करप्शन करने के लिए, आपका भाई ब्रदर्स को सेव करने के लिए, वो करप्टेड टीचर्स और ग्रुप सी ग्रुप डी को सेव करने के लिए हम लोग जो वैलिड कैंडिडेट है, हमको भी चरा दिया है, हमको भी भाषा दिया है।
So what is this case exactly about? Remember, more than 23 lakh candidates had appeared for the SLST in 2016, and that was for approximately 25,000 vacant posts. The CBI had then gone on to arrest former State Education Minister Partha Chatterjee over alleged irregularities in recruitment. BJP had then and is once again seizing the opportunity to bolster its claims that Mamata Banerjee-led Bengal government is mired in corruption. BJP leaders say that the ruling reflects the failures of Mamata's administration to ensure transparency and accountability in public sector hiring. BJP has further gone on to accuse the state government of mismanaging education system, alleging that it is collapsing under TMC rule.
सारे परिवार रास्ते में आ गए। इसके लिए जिम्मेदार कौन है? जिम्मेदार ममता बनर्जी है, और ममता बनर्जी इसलिए जिम्मेदार है कि ममता बनर्जी ने अपने पार्टी के लोग जिन्होंने पैसा खाया था, पैसा खा के जो योग्य नहीं।
In fact, we can see Mamata Banerjee addressing the issue as well. Let's cross live.
আইনত আমরা আইনেই লড়ব, ঠিক আছে?
সুপ্রিম কোর্ট ভার্ডিক্ট দিয়েছে এদের চাকরি চলে যাবে, যাদের যাবে, যাদের যাচ্ছি 25,000 তাদের তো আগামী 3 মাস পর আবার প্রসেসিংয়ে বসতে বলা হবে।
यस না, 3 মাসের মধ্যে কমপ্লিট করতে বলেছে প্রসেস। 3 মাসের মধ্যে process complete.
The court has directed to conclude to complete the recruitment procedure within 3 months. We have decided to go as per the court order.
It is not within me. আমাকে কোর্টের
I cannot say what the SEC will do.
Don't insist me to
but
say
we have to follow court's verdict.
This morning we have seen that BJP is tweeting and they are alleging that whatever has happened, state government is responsible for the verdict. How do you react to that?
They are the people, I should not mention their name. They are responsible for this case. It is their lawyer. It is their party member, a member of parliament who retired, who have taken voluntary retirement to contest the MP election. And after the retirement, he said, I am a man of BJP party. Do you think the question is there to ask any clarification? And who fought this case? Vikas Bhattacharya. Who is he? CPM MP. And who is Mr. What is his title? Gang. I don't know Gangna Dung. that they can say. He is not a lawyer now. Politically, he has done it. It is totally motivated. He is not judge. He is not in judiciary now. He is a political man. He is creating all the confusion and nuisance. But what about Vapam, where so many people are being murdered, who went to inquiry, who went for investigation? What about UP?
Even as you see visuals of those crying candidates, because remember, one of the sections of the ruling also says that all the teachers who have been appointed have to give back their salaries. Imagine what kind of impact that could have. On the other side, do not forget how stashes of cash were found in Mamta's minister's house in this case. We take a very quick break.